want to show you something real quick. Now I'm spreading this out with my machine. The rest I'll do with hand. But do you see this right here? That's a tiny tomato that really watermelon that never really grew very well because it was like the tail end of fall, and it just didn't develop very well. But I'm going to leave that there because this right here is my right where I planted my seed, and it's just going to stay here, and it's going to continue to feed this section right here, and then I'll spread some leaves over it. I might even add this guy. Here's another one rotting, but we'll put him over there. Split that open. But anyway, I'll just add leaves on top of that and just bury it, and then plant it for next year. Do I really need it? No, but I like to recycle, so repurpose and regenerate, if you want to call it that. But this is just taking something that was a good nutrient source and putting it back into the ground. So that's what it is. So I thought I would just share that with you. Okay, so what I've got here, I've got most of all my leaves, grass, kitchen scraps, a little bit of wood chips, and any other cardboard that we run into. I pretty much got most of the garden all covered. You can see, I would say there's 3-4 inches, sometimes 5 inches. That may seem like a lot, but I'm on 3 acres, and not only am I on 3 acres, but I've got access to go out and grab leaves. Just put up a Craigslist ad and say, hey, come pick up your bagged leaves, and then there you go. Of course, you got to look through it, or you can drive around and you can just pick up the bagged leaves. Now this right here, I still have to fill it in. Compared to what's over here, I still have this, which won't take long. I probably got enough on my property to finish that. This here I can still scoot out just a little bit more. And I've got peppers growing here that I'm done with, and I try not to disturb what's going on down in there, but just kind of break the tops off, like this one here. You just break the tops off and put it under, lay it down, and then cover it. That way, whatever this is growing up out of down there, it's undisturbed, and the community can keep doing its thing. And over here is still to be desired. I gotta cover that up. Other than that, I would call it almost done. I got about probably another day of collecting, and then who knows, I'll probably still even collect it some more and then add some when it comes springtime for mulch, because this will start to break down. And but oh, it's going to be so beautiful. So anyway, that's the way I do it for fall. And I think if you do it this way, you'll love it. And it just really creates that soil community that you want, and then your plants will take off like crazy. Okay, so that was basically my video on how I use my fall leaves, grass, and other carbon materials on how I spread it onto my garden. And if you enjoyed this video, click on the next video, because now I kind of take you on a trip and show you where you can find some leaves and maybe some grass clippings, mostly fall leaves though, and get paid to do it. And then you can get all kinds of great tons of just great carbon material. So thanks for watching. See you next video.